Yeah, hello. Today I'm going to be revealing the combo card for Hamster Kombat. So without wasting much of your time, let's go ahead. The first card is under Liga. The KYB card is the first card. So you just have to upgrade the first card. And as you can see, so the second card is among the PRN team, which is the Tokenomics Expert card. So you just have to look for it and then upgrade that one also to unlock the second card. Here it is. As you can see, the second one too is unlocked, and the very last one is under specials, and this one is called TG leaders. So here it is. Just upgrade it, and then your 5 million token will be unlocked for you. So as you can see, let's take the price over here. And it has been added to my balance successfully. So thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Please make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.